In this video, we will discuss about keyboard special keys. There are keys on keyboard which are having different symbols on them, and such keys are known as special keys. The symbols like sign of exclamation, @ hash, dollar, exponential symbol, ampersand symbol, asterisk symbol, circular brackets, pair of circular brackets, okay, all these are symbols. On the keyboard, if we look at the keyboard, especially the first row, that is the number just above the alphabet keys, the numeric keys, we can see each number key is having one symbol along with it. On numeric key 1, sign of exclamation is there. On numeric key 2, @ symbol is there. On 3, hash. On 4, dollar. On 5, percentage symbol. On 6, exponential symbol. 7, ampersand. 8, asterisk. Okay. On 9, opening circular bracket, and on 0, closing circular bracket. And there are certain keys like this one, and this was the next one, this is third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10, and one more is there at this corner, okay, this one. So on these keys only symbols are present, two pair of symbols, like for example here plus and equal to, two symbols are there. Similarly on other remaining keys there are two symbols. How to type the symbol, okay, or how to type the letters, I will show you in the upcoming topic. So for the time being, all these are where symbols are present are known as special keys. Okay, even the numeric keys where symbols are present, they are also known as special keys. Next is some more special keys. On keyboard there are some more special keys other than symbols. So let us discuss the first special key, that is spacebar. A spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard, and it is used to type spaces between the text, or we can say words, okay, between two words. So on the keyboard, this is the longest key, okay, this is called spacebar. This key is known as spacebar. Like here, after this word spacebar there is a space, and after that another word is typed, that is. So in between these two words there is a space. To type this space we will use this spacebar key. This is the longest key on the keyboard. Now I will show you practically how to use this spacebar key and how to use letters or alphabet keys to type the text. For that I will open on-screen keyboard quickly. How to open it, okay, we will discuss it later on. Okay, for the time being I will use it, and I will open one more application over here. Name of the application is Notepad. What is application, we will discuss in the higher classes. Okay, so here this is the on-screen keyboard, okay, and okay, so here I will, and this blinking line, okay, where I am moving the cursor, okay, pointer, sorry, this is called cursor. Okay, this blinking line, okay, is called cursor. Okay, in this white area you can see the line is blinking. Okay, this blinking line is called cursor. Okay, this so whenever we type any number or any letter or alphabet or even space from the keyboard, this cursor will shift towards right side. Let me show you how. if I press A key from the keyboard, so you can see small a is typed and cursor is blinking after A. Now if I type one more letter M, okay, so if I press one more key M, so here you can see M is printed and cursor is blinking after M. So cursor keep on shifting when we keep on typing the letters. Then to give a space, I will press this space bar key. This is the longest key, this one. Okay, so I will press it once and you can see a space is given and cursor is blinking after space. And then I will type here one more word, I. Okay, so now you can see one more letter is typed or alphabet is typed and cursor is blinking after I. So in this way we can type small letters directly by pressing the alphabet keys from the keyboard. Now if I want to type letters in capital, so how we will type, we will discussing in the next topic. So for the time being I will close this keyboard as well as this notepad window. So I have shown you how to use spacebar key. Okay, next is caps lock key. Caps lock key is used for typing letters in capital. As I have shown you, okay, that if we directly press any alphabet key from the keyboard, all the letters, okay, will be typed in small. But if we want to type letters in capital, or we can say the big letters, okay, then we have to use caps lock key of the keyboard. So on keyboard, on this location, this is the caps lock key. Okay, using this key we can type letters in capital. So to type letters in capital, what we have to do? The first step is we have to press caps lock key once to type letter in capital. If we don't press caps lock key, then what will happen? Whatever key, alphabet key we will press, that letter will be typed small. To type a letter in capital, first we have to press caps lock key at least once. Okay, only once, not at least, only once, to type capital letter. Okay, now let me show you how to type capital letters again. Now again I will open the on-screen keyboard and then notepad application to show you that how to type capital letters. Now if I directly press any alphabet key from the keyboard, like here I'm going to press S, then we can see here small s is typed. If I press next key D, then small d is typed. But if I want to type capital letter, then what I will do first, I have to press first this key, caps lock. Okay, here it is mentioned only caps. In some of the keyboards you will see both words caps lock. In some of the keyboards you will see only caps. So this is the caps lock key. So first we will press this key. As soon as we will press this key, now after that whatever key, alphabet key we will press, that letter will be typed or alphabet will be typed in capital. Now if I type here S, so you can see it is the capital S. If I type D, so now each letter that or each alphabet key if I press or any key I press, that letter will be typed in capital. So as I am pressing the keys, okay, so you can see all the letters are typed in capital. But if I want to type in small, suppose after typing one capital letter, the next letter I want small, so again I have to press, okay, so what I have to do, again I have to press caps lock key. Now whatever letter I will type now, that will be typed smaller, okay, like O, Y, okay. So in this manner we can use caps lock key. If caps lock key, if we press it first for the first time, then we will be able to type the only capital letters. If we press it again, then we will be able to type only small letters. So caps lock key is used for typing capital letters. Now I will close these two windows. So what we have discussed, that caps lock key is used for typing capital letters, and to use caps lock, okay, to activate this caps lock key, we have to press caps lock key once to type the capital letter. And once we press this caps lock key on this area of the keyboard, okay, there are indicators. Indicators mean light, okay. Here at the center of it, okay, a standard keyboard has indicators, and if we press caps lock key, that light of caps lock will glow. That means caps lock key is activated, and whatever alphabet key we will press, that letter or that alphabet will be typed capital, okay. And if we want to type letter in smalls, then again we have to press caps lock key to type letters in or alphabets in small. So this covers up caps lock key. Next is enter key. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line. Remember, I have shown you the cursor, the blinking line, that is known as cursor. So what enter key does, enter key is used to bring the cursor to next line, as while writing in the notebook, after the first line is finished, we start writing from the next line. Similarly, while typing, okay, if first line is finished, then how to move the cursor to the next line, okay, before the first line finished, how to move the cursor to the next line. So we can use move the cursor to the next line using enter key, okay. Using enter key, what we can do, we can move the cursor to the next line, or we can say new line. So on the keyboard there are two, okay, enter keys. On the keyboard there are two enter keys. First one is this one, okay, this is the symbol of enter key. This is, okay, this one, this is an enter key. And second one is on numeric keypad, this one on the right side, okay, this is the keypad. On numeric keypad, the second enter key is there. So either we can use this key or this one, okay. And to use, as I've told you, to use numeric keypad, first we have to, okay, first we have to click on numlock, or we have to press numlock key, okay. I have told you this in the previous video. So we had discussed this in the previous video. So now let me show you how to use enter key. Again, I will open on screen keyboard and then notepad. Now I'm going to type here two lines. First line is honesty is the best policy. And after that I will place a full stop, as we write, place full stop while writing. Now you can see cursor is blinking after full stop. Now I want to type next sentence in the next line, in the new line. So how to bring this cursor in the next line? I will press enter key. This is the enter key, okay, and second one is here, okay, and this is the numeric keypad, and first one is here and second one is here. So I will click on, okay, I will either we can press this key or this one. So if we press enter key, So we can see cursor has shifted to next line, or we can say new line. Now it is blinking in front of the new line, and we can type here new sentence. Okay. Hi, good afternoon. Okay, so in this way, okay, we can shift the cursor to the next line. How? By pressing enter key, either this one or the enter key that is present on the numeric keypad. So there are two enter keys. I'm going to use now this enter key. So you can see here, as I have pressed the enter key, okay, the cursor has shifted to again new line or next line. So this covers up the explanation of enter key. In the next video, we will discuss the remaining topics.